Yeah, Stephen and Carolyn, right now, that is the big question. Will little Adante be able to see again? I can tell you that his mother is here at Children's Hospital by his bedside. When 8-year-old Adante Davis wakes up, he may be blind in his right eye. Little Adante took a pellet to the eye from a bully who was tormenting him.
He's just having a lot of bad dreams right now. He's really just he can't get it out of his head.
Adante's mother tells us her son is on a morphine drip and is sleeping a lot since he got to the hospital Monday. She's just relieved her son is alive.
Look at it, went through his eye and went through to his brain and killed him,
Adante took a pellet to the eye Monday from a bully who was tormenting him and his friends. It happened here at the Auburn Village townhomes in Pontiac. With their parents' permission, Adante's friends told us what they saw.
They're making us do jumping jacks, push-ups, and more physical stuff. They said if we don't do it, we're going to get shot.
Adante tried to get away on his bike, but one of the bullies was waiting with a pellet gun.
I saw his hand holding his eye, a lot of blood. I mean, it was kind of scary.
Adante's sister heard her little brother screaming and came outside. His family rushed him to Children's Hospital.
It's a shame. It's a shame that, my child have to suffer. Now my child has to be suffering where he probably won't be able to see again.
2 teenagers are in juvenile custody. We'll keep you posted on the case as to whether they're tried as adults. Adante's mother says this kind of bullying will not be tolerated. Reporting live outside Children's Hospital in Detroit, I'm Tom Waite, Channel 7 Action News.
Yeah, Tom, it should not be tolerated. Thank you so very much for that.